Sarah, what's the status? That's CNC4, right? The light's been on for 15 minutes.
20, actually. It's the same coolant pressure fault as last week. I put the call into maintenance, but who knows when they'll get here. I'm dead in the water.
The Vitrox order is next up for this machine. We're already behind on it. We can't afford this. Did you finish the previous run? Where are the numbers?
It's on the log sheet, or it will be once I write it down. I haven't had a second. Between the fault and trying to figure out what material to prep next, I'm just stuck.
Okay, just wait for maintenance. I'll go see if I can manually reschedule the Vitrox job on another machine, but I have no idea what's available without checking every single station.
But what if you could turn the lights on? What if your machines could tell you when they need attention before they fail? What's the #1 hidden cost in your CNC shop? Is it downtime, scrap, or something else? Let's be honest, the old ways of working aren't cutting it anymore. In this 10-week series, we'll break down the path to a fully connected, intelligent, smart factory.